Welcome to my channel, The English Playground. Hi, my name is Mia, and I want to tell you about my trip to the mall last Saturday. It was a sunny day, perfect for a little adventure. I woke up early, excited for the day ahead. After breakfast, I got dressed in my favorite blue jeans and a pink t-shirt. I grabbed my small backpack, put on my comfy sneakers, and headed out. I live with my parents in a cozy apartment not too far from the mall. It's about a 20-minute walk. So I decided to walk there instead of taking the bus. As I walked, I enjoyed the warm sunshine and the gentle breeze. I could hear birds chirping and see kids playing in the park. It was a beautiful day. When I reached the mall, I was amazed by how big it was. The mall has 3 floors, and each floor is filled with different stores. The first thing I noticed was the large glass doors at the entrance. They opened automatically as I approached, welcoming me inside. The mall was busy, with people everywhere. Some were shopping, others were just walking around, and some were sitting on benches, chatting or looking at their phones. I decided to start with my favorite store, a bookstore called Bookhaven. It was on the first floor near the entrance. As I walked into Bookhaven, the smell of new books filled the air. I love that smell. It's like stepping into a world of stories and adventures. I went straight to the young adult section. There were so many books to choose from, but one book caught my eye. It was called The Lost Treasure. The cover looked exciting with a picture of a map and a pirate ship. I picked it up and decided to buy it. After buying the book, I walked around the mall to see what else I could find. I saw a clothing store with a big sale sign. I couldn't resist, so I went inside. The store was called Fashion Fiesta. It had all kinds of clothes from casual wear to fancy dresses. I found a cute red dress on sale and decided to try it on. It fit perfectly, so I bought it. Next, I felt a bit hungry, so I headed to the food court. The food court was on the second floor, and it had many different food stalls. There was Chinese food, Italian food, burgers, pizzas, and even a smoothie bar. I decided to get a slice of pepperoni pizza and a strawberry smoothie. I found an empty table and sat down to eat. The pizza was delicious and the smoothie was sweet and refreshing. While eating, I noticed a small group of people gathered near a stage in the food court. There was a sign that said, "Magic Show at 2 p.m." I looked at my watch and saw that it was almost 2 p.m. I finished my food quickly and walked over to the stage. The magician arrived right on time and started his show. The magic show was amazing. The magician did all kinds of tricks like pulling a rabbit out of a hat and making a bouquet of flowers appear out of nowhere. My favorite trick was when he made a volunteer from the audience float in the air. Everyone clapped and cheered. It was a lot of fun. After the magic show, I decided to explore the third floor of the mall. I saw a toy store called Toy Kingdom. It had everything a kid could dream of: dolls, action figures, board games, and puzzles. I walked around the store looking at all the toys. I saw a puzzle that looked interesting. It was a picture of a beautiful landscape with mountains and a river. I thought it would be fun to put it together, so I bought it. With my new book, dress, and puzzle in hand, I decided it was time to head home. I walked back to the entrance, but before leaving, I saw an ice cream shop. I couldn't resist getting a scoop of strawberry ice cream. It was the perfect end to a perfect day at the mall. As I walked home, I thought about all the fun things I did. I loved visiting the bookstore and finding a new adventure to read. The magic show was incredible, and I couldn't wait to start the new puzzle. I was also excited to wear my new dress the next time I went out with my friends. When I got home, I showed my parents everything I bought. They were happy to see that I had a good time. I spent the rest of the afternoon reading my new book and working on the puzzle. It was a relaxing way to end the day. That night, as I lay in bed, I thought about my trip to the mall. It had been a wonderful day full of exciting experiences. I couldn't wait for my next adventure. The next morning, I woke up early and decided to start my day by reading The Lost Treasure. I made myself a cup of hot chocolate and curled up on the couch with my new book. The story was captivating and I quickly became lost in the adventures of the characters. Around lunchtime, my mom suggested we go out for a family lunch. We decided to go to a nearby cafe that we all love. I wore my new red dress and my parents complimented me on how nice it looked. At the cafe, we enjoyed a delicious meal and talked about our plans for the week. After lunch, I met up with my best friend Sarah. We had planned to go to the mall together again because she needed to buy a gift for her brother's birthday. We headed back to the mall, chatting excitedly about what to buy. Sarah wanted to get her brother a new video game, so we went to a game store called Game Galaxy. The store was filled with all kinds of games, consoles, and accessories. Sarah found the game she was looking for, and I browsed the shelves, marveling at the variety. After buying the game, we decided to check out a new cafe that had just opened in the mall. It was called Coffee Corner and it had a cozy, inviting atmosphere. We ordered iced coffees and shared a slice of chocolate cake. We sat by the window watching people walk by and talking about our plans for the summer. As we left the cafe, we saw a sign for a photography exhibition on the third floor. Intrigued, we decided to check it out. The exhibition featured stunning photographs from around the world. There were breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cityscapes, and candid portraits of people from different cultures. We spent a good hour admiring the photos and discussing our favorite ones. Our next stop was a beauty store called Glamour and Glow. Sarah wanted to buy some new makeup, and I decided to get a new shade of lipstick. The store was full of colorful displays and the staff were friendly and helpful. We tried on different products and finally made our purchases. Before leaving the mall, we made one last stop at the accessory store, Blink Boutique. Sarah needed a new pair of earrings and I was on the lookout for a cute handbag. The store had a fantastic selection and we spent a while browsing through the items. Sarah found a pair of silver hoop earrings and I bought a stylish black handbag that would go perfectly with my new red dress. As we walked back home, Sarah and I talked about our favorite parts of the day. We had a great time exploring the mall together, finding great deals and enjoying each other's company. It was another wonderful day full of fun and excitement. When I got home, I put away my new purchases and spent the evening working on the puzzle I had bought the day before. It was challenging but fun, and I enjoyed piecing together the beautiful landscape. I also finished reading The Lost Treasure, which turned out to be an amazing story full of adventure and mystery. Reflecting on the weekend, I felt grateful for the time spent with family and friends and for the little adventures that made life exciting. The mall had become a place of discovery where each visit brought new experiences and memories. As I lay in bed that night, I thought about the future and all the adventures yet to come. Whether it was a simple trip to the mall or a bigger journey, I knew that each day held the promise of something wonderful. I couldn't wait to see what the next adventure would be. And that's the story of my trip to the mall. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.
Please like, share, and subscribe.